Hello guys, welcome back to Aces Creation. So YouTube has launched its new feature called Explore tab, which allows YouTube content creators under 10,000 subscribers to promote their videos freely and easily. So most of you guys don't know how to access this feature YouTube. So in this video we will be discussing about how to get the Explore tab in your YouTube mobile application. So stay tuned guys, you are watching ACS Creations. So guys, YouTube has launched its new feature called the Explore tab, which promotes YouTube channels less than 10,000 subscribers and the new channels in which views are not coming. So in this video I'm going to share with you how to get the Explore tab in your phone. So if you check in the YouTube app, in the settings or in everywhere, you could not see the Explore tab. So first what you have to do is you have to update your YouTube application from the Play Store. Okay, so after updating it, you will be able to see a demo model of the Explore tab. This feature is not completely released, but you can just see a beta version of this feature called Explore tab. So after updating YouTube, and if you open that YouTube application again, you will see two spaces where you can see very channels having very small amount of subscribers. Okay, so guys, you can see that in my homepage there are two new channels which are having very few subscribers and are having very few number of videos. So this is the model of the Explore feature in YouTube. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like the video and share this video with your friends.